So I have Charles Hardin in. Charles, you're in from out of town. Where'd you come in from?
Come from Gaithersburg, Maryland,
Gaithersburg, Maryland. So
Montgomery
you've been
County.
excellent. So you've been here since Friday. What did you think of the 3 day Details R Certified Detail or Licensee Training Program, man? Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Well, everything I found was very knowledgeable, informative. I definitely gained a lot of knowledge off of it.
Sure.
And
You're starting your own mobile detailing business when
that's
you get
correct.
back.
That's
So
correct,
did the
sir.
business class on Friday tend to help
Well,
you?
the business class was very eye-opener for me, so it gave me a lot of confidence in
Sure.
various areas. And
Sure. What about yesterday's hands-on exterior and ceramic coating training? Did you think that helped you too?
a lot, 100%.
Yeah, you did an amazing job. Amazing job. And you, both you guys, you made this exterior, this Outlander look like brand new. And what about the interior training today?
Interior training was very eye-opening and learned a lot from it also. Like I was saying once before, make me feel confident,
Sure. Now you have all the procedures down, the steps, the systems. I mean, you took notes, you recorded everything all weekend. Did great. Yeah, that was awesome. Well, you are now Details R and Jade Ceramic Coating Certified. Thank you very much. Great job.
Thank you all. Chase, Christopher, awesome.
Yeah, they did. They really did. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Good job.
Instructors.
Wonderful instructors. Wonderful instructors. Both you guys did a fabulous job. Thank you so much.
Thank you.